and of India, we are going to push our remote repository or code, whatever we are doing in the local repository, we are pushing the same code to the remote repository. So very first thing, we are going to create a folder here, and we'll mention the name of the folder as like in particular like e-commerce. Okay. Yeah, correct. In the same way, we are going to create the repository on the remote repository. Okay, so we are going to create here like e-commerce. Okay, it's not taking app. We'll take it here. Checking the e-commerce app here. So we can mention here the it's related to the remote project or whatever description as per a particular project. So we can see here option like we can mention it public or private as per our requirement of the code. You can add the remote and git ignore and add a license. This 3 to 4 option that is understandable for you guys, but don't worry, you'll understand later. Yeah, we are going to create it the remote repository. It is already created properly. So we can see here this much of code we need for each and every project we are pushing to local repository to remote repository. We must write this much of code all time. So don't worry about it. It's not that much of fear. So once you'll practice multiple times for pushing the code from local repository to remote repository, that will understandable very easily. Just sometimes people use to click here and upload their own code. So don't do this because that is not professional way. For DevOps engineer, you must use the Git. After uploading code from here or uploading files from here, that will not break by Git. So there is no use of Git. So that is not good. So never and ever do this way. Okay. So we first need to copy this repository only. This much we need to do. So for now we are going to the folder. We are right clicking here and opening with the code. We have already opened the folder with this code editor. We have small it as per requirement. So we are going to open this folder also. We already opened folder also. So yeah, very easy way you can do it as much as we need. Okay, there is nothing. Yeah. So for now we are going to get this 3 dot and then open the terminal. So we have already opened the terminal. Again we are putting it at this the same step because we need to understand one concept. That is the reason I'm doing this. At least you will get some idea. Yeah, this much we need. So we are going to first create a file here. File name is e-commerce or index.html. Okay, enter. So this created. We'll mention shift and exclamation symbol, enter. The code by default code is created here. So yeah, we have already done this much of this code we have already created here. So we are coming here to the terminal. Yeah, so we can see here the folder. We can see only one folder is showing like the index is showing. Okay, and we are coming to this terminal. We are mentioning the very first code, very first command, git init. See properly. See here whatever only indexes. Once we'll enter the git init, that's what the git is new folder is created. That is only known as the local repo. Okay, so we can see here the file is showing as untracked. Still now there is no camera is on. There is no camera on, so code is not tracking it. So how it will take it, or it will track it? We just need to add it. Git add, file name is index.html. Enter. So for now it is taking it. So you got this concept, so I'm explore it. Yeah, now we can understand it properly. Yeah. So for now we can we already added it. It is on the staging area, that is the temporary area, temporary storage. So we need to commit it to send it to local repository .git. So git commit the SCM, and messing it. First commit is done. First commit is done. Okay, so first commit is already done. We first check the branch, git branch input. So for now we can see on git local branch name is master and the remote branch is the main. So first we need to change the branch name. So git branch capital M main, because we need to change the branch name to main. Enter. We check whether it is changed or not. We already changed the branch name, master main git branch. Again we'll mention the same command. Yeah, we can see here previously the branch name was master, but for now it is main. Okay, so for now we are going to push the code. For that we need to remote it. Git remote add origin. Okay, and paste the code whatever we have copied from the remote repository. So we have already added it. Remote repository we have already added. So I have copied this code for the for it. Yeah, remote, selecting the remote. So for now git push new origin in which branch? Main branch. So whatever code is here we have mentioned, I will push to the origin. So for now we can go to the origin. We can not see any change here. So first we need to click here refreshing. So for now we can see a code in the HTML. The first commit is done.